Welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about the paragraph panel. So I want to close out these panels here. The brushes, the motion sketch, all these other panels that we've been opening up. I want to go to Window and I want to go to the paragraph panel. Okay, and this is really for text. So let's close this one down or just turn it off and go back to the green panel there. I'm going to close this one and then just keep it on this. And basically what the paragraph panel is going to allow you to do is if I were to grab some text and I can move that down, I can make it center, I can make it right aligned, I can make it left aligned. Okay. We can also do justify last left, last centered, last right, and justify all. And then we can indent left margin. We can indent right margin. We can add space before paragraph, add space after paragraph, and then we can indent first line. Okay, so that is the paragraph panel. Now I'm going to hit Command S to save this. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.